Stock number 40510Y. It's a 2014 Honda Pilot. It does have a key, it does not start. You can see the front fender's no good. Headlights damaged. Front bumper's missing, the grill's missing. The radiator's damaged. The hood's no good. Rear bumper's got damages all over it. Right here's damaged, it's no good. Deck lid's no good. Front door's bent right here. Front fender's no good. It does not have a. It does have a key, but it does not. The car does not start. It's the glove box. Oh, it's locked. There's the passenger side. There's the driver's side. It does have a sunroof. That's third row seating as well. There's the third row seating. There's the second row seating. It's got the TV monitor. Third row seating. Again, this is stock number 40510Y. It's a 2014 Honda Pilot. It does have a key, it does not start.